A silver play button. I worked so hard for this.
What? Everyone knows I'm the star.
Hey, where'd my play button go?
Check out my play button. You mean our play button. Nope, I think it's a little bit more mine. We'll see about that. I should have my name put on the top. Wait a minute, I'm the real reason this channel is so popular. Finally, the credit I deserve. Hey, Forky, what's that award? Oh, just an award for favorite Toy Story 4 character. Wrong. This clearly belongs to Liam. Who's Liam? I'm taking it back. No. Nice play button. Thanks. It should be mine. I carried this channel when it started. No one remembers Batman. They will. Rough landing. Ugh. Give me that award. Woody, you know it's mine. Hey, I'm the cutest. Give it to me. It belongs to me. I mean, Liam. Hand it over. Hand it over. Hey, that's not yours. Hand it over. Woody.